Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware. Know the projector input type, resolution, and lumen rating so you choose the right cable and adapter. Next, power up the Apple TV and projector. Make sure both are on the same power loop to avoid latency. Connect a short, high-quality HDMI cable from the Apple TV to the projector, or attach an HDMI to VGA adapter if the projector lacks HDMI. Once done, select the projector input. This establishes the physical path for video and audio. With the cable connected, you configure the Apple TV. Go to Settings, right arrow Video and Audio, then pick the correct resolution and frame rate to match the projector. This prevents scaling artifacts and sync issues. If the projector cannot pass audio, use an HDMI audio extractor or switch audio output to external speakers. Make sure audio delays are corrected in the projector or external receiver. This keeps lips and sound aligned. Once stable, test with a 30-second clip to confirm picture and sound. Finish by calibrating picture. Adjust focus, keystone, zoom, and color. Then fine-tune Apple TV HDR and overscan to fit the screen. This ensures sharp edges and correct brightness. If you see no signal, inspect the adapter and HDMI cable for bent pins, try another HDMI port, and confirm input selection. These steps resolve most connection failures. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot both devices and reseat cables. Often that clears handshake errors and restores both video and audio quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.